All right, moving right on then. And another winner of the National Startup Awards is the Vadodara-based enzyme manufacturer Infinita Biotech. They've bagged the pole position in the environment category. Joining in on the show right now is Adarsh Desai. He is a managing director of Infinita Bio. Congratulations on that win. Let's just understand a little bit more about what exactly the outlook is in terms of the India enzyme industry and how it's evolved in the country over the years.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me on the show. I highly appreciate it. The enzyme scenario in India is growing at a rapid phase. People are slowly getting more and more aware about the numerous applications that enzymes have and the benefits attached to it. Basically, enzymes works as a replacement to multiple chemicals in different industries. Basically, whatever you can see from your eyes as a potential enzymes application in it. So people are slowly getting aware, and I think the way India is growing and the way all the industries are growing, I think the role of enzymes is getting more and more important day by day, be it biofuels, be it food, be it beverages, be it dairy, be it textiles. I think the scope of enzymes is just going to get bigger with the day.
All right, fair enough. So just let's understand how exactly it works as well for the company. What exactly is it? What exactly is enzymes being used in biotechnology? And what exactly is it that the company does at Infinita Biotech?
So basically, enzymes are like proteins. They act as a catalyst to aid a reaction. I mean, the reactions could be numerous, and basically they enhance a process. They help in enhancing a process. Infinita Biotech is into development and manufacturing of enzymatic solutions for an array of industries, right from food, beverage, effluent treatment, agriculture, biofuels, etc. Our forte lies in developing customized enzymatic solutions. So apart from the conventional enzymes being used in industries such as detergent, textiles, our specialty lies in developing very unique blends, which are a blend of multiple enzymes and essential ingredients, which help in further improving efficiencies and solving niche problems. Such as, to give an example, one of our very specialized formulation, enzymes formulation, is for crude oil spills remediation, like how we have all these oil spills in the ocean. So we have been able to develop an enzymatic solution which can degrade all these oil spills. So Infinita Biotech is positioned well to fight different challenges, national problems, which can be solved enzymatically.
Okay. Now, I understand that majority of your revenues come from exports. Can you just walk us through what that contribution is to your total revenue pie? And are you seeing any, global headwinds or challenges impacting your export revenues?
Yes, our exports revenue comprises almost of 70% from our total turnover. And we are currently exporting to more than 30 countries, covering all the major continents. I think because of all these price hikes across the globe, we are poised well to fight our like European and American competitors, because of course we are able to produce products in a more cost efficient manner. So I think we're looking at expanding our multiple geographies and tapping the untouched markets.
So which geographies are you looking to expand to? What kind of untouched markets do you see strong revenue contribution from?
In this coming financial year, we are going to focus a lot on the South American market, the Latin American market. We are already present in two countries in South America, but we wish to expand our reach to other countries as well. We are quite present in Europe, in Middle East, in Asia. So yes, definitely Latin America is going to be one of our main focus points.
Okay. Given that the bioservices market in India stands at about 29,000 odd crores, the Indian enzyme market in comparison at about 2,500 crore rupees seems to be smaller. What kind of growth potential are you seeing for the India enzyme market, and how do you as a company plan to really capitalize on that growth?
So I think I can see a growth of at least 15 to 20% of the enzymes industry on a year-on-year basis. And I think there are few areas which are growing at a rapid pace in India, which will in turn increase the requirements of enzymes significantly. For example, to give an example, The new biofuel policy has a mandate of around 20%. I mean, right now we are at around 10% of ethanol blending, but the country is poised to grow and increase it to 20%. So for the same, multiple ethanol plants are being set up in the country. I mean, close to more than 190 plants are going to come in next few years. And all of these ethanol plants more or less require enzymes for their processes. So one can imagine that there's just going to be so much requirement of enzymes just from this one industry. And as already mentioned, that enzymes have an application in almost all the things which we can see from our eyes. So be it textiles. So as and when all these industries grow, which are going to use enzymes, even the enzymes market is going to increase.
Okay, so, given that you're one of the winners of the National Startup Awards, walk us through what you plan to do with the funds, how you're going to utilize it, what kind of revenue run rate you envisage for the company.
So being a very R&D oriented company, we would like to use the funds which we receive from Startup India Awards completely into R&D. We will be using that fund to enhance our R&D capabilities. And I think for the upcoming financial year, we are looking at least another 30% growth from this current financial year.
Okay, so just wanted to ask, is there a lot of competition within this space, in terms of players that already exist and how you plan to retain your market share? What strategy is in place that will make you be a differentiator, disruptor, or your USP really?
So yes, I mean, there has been a growing competition, not only from India, not only from domestic players, but also from players in China and other countries. So, but what makes us different, what gives us an edge over our competitors is the customization factor. Our company's forte is into customization. Infinita Biotech specializes into developing very tailor-made solutions for our clients. So it's not that we are only producing generic products and like a one product for all. We like to work with our clients very closely, be it any industry, and develop very unique solutions as per their specific requirements and processes. So this makes us very different. This makes us help the client to work in the most cost efficient and effective manner. So I think customization is the key to the success of our business, and that is something we want to really focus on in the coming years.
All right, we wish you all the very best. Adarsh, thanks so much for taking time out and joining us today on Startup Central.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, let's also put this